A complex work environment requires complex tools. That's why the Evo 2 Enterprise is smarter, safer, and tailored for every operation, while still being lightweight, compact, and easy to operate. Tackle any work condition with the remote control's large screen and high brightness, which make flying effortless and intuitive. Handle any workload with 42 minutes of flight time and the ability to pilot from up to 8 miles away. Equipped with a spotlight, megaphone, strobe light, and RTK module, the Enterprise series provides everything you need to take on any challenge with confidence. Use the high-powered megaphone to easily communicate with crew across work sites and provide vital instructions during emergencies. Or equip the RTK module to provide centimeter-accurate location data, enabling you to map or perform inspections with remarkable precision. Power up the strobe lights to reveal the drone's position at night, ensuring airspace safety and drone visibility from up to 3 miles away. Turn on the high-intensity spotlight to enhance safety in dim conditions or aid in search and rescue missions. No matter the scenario, enjoy additional peace of mind with the Enterprise series built-in ADS-B receiver, which alerts users to the presence of nearby aircraft, allowing them to take evasive maneuvers well before disaster strikes. Further enhance safety with an omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system to limit collisions in complex environments, and powerful data encryption to ensure every detail of your flight stays private. Smart, safe, and efficient, this is the Evo 2 Enterprise. This is the future.